Hello guys, good afternoon. I am again in front of you to tell you something about research report. So after conducting research, our research work not terminated. We have work remaining to present all those research activities in research report. So research report is the written documents in which we includes its objective, research questions, its importance, its limitations, literature review, methodology, finding, conclusion, and discussions. And references part also included in research report. Research report is the reflections of your research activities. What you conduct, what you perform during research work. In that period, what you did, all you should include in the written documents. And that written documents is known as research report. It is very important. And this research report communicate your finding to many persons. Without research report, we cannot communicate our finding of the research to different peoples. And it reserve what work have you conducted and what is your finding. That will be reserved, that will be preserved with the help of this research report. And without research report, implications will not be there. So in research report, what improvement that the organization, that the sectors, that improvement suggestions from the side of the researchers to the concerned authority are written in research reports. And then on the basis of research report and different decision will be taken. So it is very important and it is one of the basis of further research also. And I am going to teach you about what is the importance of research report. So some important points I have written on the whiteboard here. And one by one we discuss on that. Okay? So I think if you are familiar about the importance of reports, in that case you can prepare very well report. Okay, so the first importance of report writing is communications of finding. So communications of finding means what you find out, what is the result of your research, that we can communicate to different peoples and we make familiar of our finding to different people, and with the help of research report we can communicate the finding of the research to different peoples. So without research report we cannot communicate our finding to different people. One of the main objective of research report is that one. And another is permanent record of the research. If research report we do not prepare, then record will not be there. Once persons conduct research, and if that is not preserved in written form, then it will be disappear from the researcher as well as from the society, and no record will be there. No other researcher will be used that research reports for their research work. So it is one of the main means to keep the record. So it makes our research work long lasting. Okay? And next one, contributions of knowledge. Knowledge generated during research. So each and every research work, there should be new knowledge generated. That is one of the main objectives of research. If new knowledge cannot be generated, that is not research. And that new knowledge will be in front of the society or in front of the people that we can present in the form of research report. And basis of decision making. So decision making, just research is not conducted. It is used to make decision also. What research gives the result? What research that the gives suggestions to the authority, according to that they can make their decision. So each and every research have implications, and implication is the suggestions, and that suggestion, according to that suggestion, that the particular organization make decision, and it is one of the basis of making decision. And guidelines for the future research. So in research report, recommendations for future research also written. And what are the limitations of that research work? What that research did not conduct? What limitations he or she has? So they clearly recommend to coming researcher for new research, and that is the recommendation. So according to that recommendations, they clearly find out the gap, and another research conduct new research, and new knowledge will be added. Okay, so this one for the research, guidelines for the research, and evaluation and verification. So one of the very important objectives of research report is evaluation. So evaluation, what report prepared, and from the report we can evaluate how they conduct research. If they have conducted very properly, and data collections are also very good, and reliability, validity also we found from the report, and then we evaluate that report is very good, that research is very good. And we can use that research for conducting new research. So that is the evaluation. And what types of research had conducted, that is, we easily evaluate from the research report. And verifications. So verification means we verify our results to whether our result is appropriate, whether our result is good, whether our result is consistent, and that we verify our finding with other research, with other previous research. And then further research also conducted, okay, by using the recommendations of our research. And the further researcher will find out the same things. Then our research will be verified. And if research report is used for reproduce another research, then result will be more or less similar. And this is the verifications of the results. Academic and professional requirements. Academic means academic institutions. They have conducted different research, and in different level, report writing is in the syllabus, thesis writing is in the syllabus, and for those academic achievement, report writing is very important. If research will be conducted by the student and they prepare the report, they submit to their concerned department, and if their department accepted that report, then they will pass their academic level. So that the research report help to aid academic degree to the student. And academic and professional requirements, it is the compulsion. If you do not conduct research, not submit the report, then you will fail in the examination. So according to the rule of the university, rule of the academic institutions, if you conduct research and prepare report and submit, then you will be awarded by the degree. So your academic achievement will be fulfilled with the help of research report. And professional also. Professional means who is professional. So for achieving a different objective, someone conducted research, different research institutions, they finance for conducting research, and then if report is prepared, then they submit, and professional that the achievement will be there. And in different sector, in marketing sector, in banking sector, in business sector, in economic sector, and different research will be conducted. And those research report provide professional achievement. And next one, tools for problem solving. Problem solving means that the problem is the research title, and getting answer of that question is the problem solving. Without preparations of research report, we cannot solve the problem. If you orally say, I have conducted the research, who believe you? Nobody believe you. If you present that one in written form, in the form of report, then that the concerned authority believe you. So this is one of the very important tool. Okay, tool for the problem solving. Accountability of transparency. Transparency means open for all. What different systematic work have you conducted during the research? All those are presented in report. And if you present all those activities in the report, that is the transparency. Each and everybody known about your activity during the research, and that is the transparency. So with the help of research report, our activity will be transparent. And next one, knowledge dissemination. So knowledge is very important. Dissemination means we share the knowledge to others. What knowledge you have, that knowledge, if we transfer to others, that is the dissemination. Dissemination is very important, that the things which transfer knowledge to other people. And if we share our knowledge to others, and others also share their knowledge to us, that is the dissemination. So dissemination is possible if report is there, research report is there, and each and everybody study your report, and they find out the knowledge, and they use that knowledge to their further research work. That is the dissemination. Okay, so knowledge share, knowledge transfer, and knowledge just we take and give to each other, that is the dissemination. So that is only possible with the help of research report. So this is about research report. So without research report, all these are not possible. If all these are not possible, then there is no meaning of conduction research. Okay, that's all for today, and we will meet in next class. Thank you.